Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to troubleshoot backup camera on my wife's Dasaita G12 head unit that I installed in her 2016 Camry. Let's get started. So a couple of weeks ago, I installed a Dasaita G12 head unit in my wife's 2016 Camry, and didn't think I had any issues. And then I started getting several people that were commenting on the video saying they couldn't get their backup camera to work. Well, I never really checked the backup camera when I put it in the car. Didn't think anything about it until my wife said, hey, my backup camera's not working, so we need to check that out. So here's the head unit that we installed. Everything's working pretty good on it except the backup camera. So I've started it up here, and I'm going to put it in reverse. This is what we get, this little yellow symbol. Now that little symbol means there's no signal getting to the head unit from the backup camera. Seems like everything's working okay, but there's no signal from the backup camera. So actually another user commented on the video and said that they were having an issue, and they figured out what the problem was with theirs, and I suspect that's what it is with this one. There's two yellow RCA connections that need to be connected together to get this to work, and I suspect that's probably what I did. I forgot to hook those up, and I will post their reply here so that you can read that. And I think the user was at 12 Restoration, and you can check them out. I want to give them credit for coming up with the fix. Now I also contacted Dasaita support, and they sent me a guide for troubleshooting, and I'll put that up here right now. And there's a couple of other things that you can do. According to this guide, you can also switch two plugs around, and we'll look at that while we have this apart and see what those plugs are. And then also one that has worked for me in the past with the Dasaita in my RAV4 was unhooking the battery for about 10 minutes and hooking it back up. I did have an issue with the backup camera on it, and that fixed that issue. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this taken apart, and then I'll bring you back and we'll take a look at what we see. All right, I got this pulled apart. I already see what the problem is. It was exactly like the user at 12 Restoration said. I didn't hook up my camera cable. If you see this connection right here, it says camera in. And then over here, I've got two connections. Both of them say camera. Now, I don't know which one is the correct one, but we'll try them both and see which one gives us a backup camera. So we'll try this one first. All right. Set that up there. Put it in reverse. Not that one. So we'll try the other one. I got that one hooked up. Set the radio back up here. Go to reverse. There we go. I was going to try the other option that Dasaita mentioned about switching a plug, and I think I found the one they were referring to, but there's just not one on my wiring harness coming from my car that'll plug into. So I don't think that would have been the issue for me, and other people's may be different, and it could be, it could have to do with how your car's optioned, and whether or not you have the plug that'll plug into. But anyway, my issue was this. Plugged it back up, we're good to go. All right, got everything put back together. Let's try this one more time. Start the car, put it in reverse, and there we go. We have a backup camera now. All right, so maybe Shonda will be happy with her new head unit now. Got the backup camera working, showed you some options on how to fix it, and hopefully if you've had an issue with your G12 backup camera, that this will help you out, and that you'll be able to get yours working. If not, comment on the video and let me know. And if you need to, you can contact Dasaita. Their support was pretty quick about getting back to me, and I think they can help you out. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.